Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Looking to transform your balcony into a stylish and functional outdoor oasis? In this video, we have curated a collection of the latest modern balcony grill design ideas to inspire your next home improvement project. From sleek and minimalistic designs to creative and space-saving solutions, we have got you covered. Explore a variety of balcony grill styles, materials, and layouts that will not only enhance the aesthetic of your space but also provide safety and functionality. Whether you have a small urban balcony or a spacious terrace, you will find innovative ideas to make the most of your outdoor areas. I hope you all are enjoying the content on my channel. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your support. I have been working hard to create content that you find valuable and entertaining. However, I have noticed that many of you are watching but have not hit the subscribe button yet. Subscribing not only helps me to know that you are enjoying my content, but it also motivates me to keep producing more videos for you. Your support means the world to me, and it would make me really happy if you could hit the subscribe button and enjoy our community. Let's grow together, and I promise to keep delivering great content. Thanks for being awesome. Modern balcony terrace grill design incorporate various features to enhance both aesthetic and functionality. Here are some key features to contemporary balcony terrace grill designs. Number 1. Modern designs often use a variety of materials including stainless steel, glass, wrought iron, aluminum, and even wood. Each material offers a different aesthetic and maintenance level. Number 2. Many designs focus on sleek and minimalistic aesthetics with clean lines and ample shapes that complement modern architecture. Number 3. Safety is our top priority. Grills are designed to prevent accidents and comply with safety standards. Child roof locks and safety latches are common features. Number 4. Many grill designs are customizable to fit the specific needs and style preferences of the homeowner. You can choose different finishes, patterns, and sizes. Number 5. Some designs incorporate built-in seating options such as benches or bar-style seating, making the balcony a comfortable and functional space for relaxation and socializing. Number 6. Some grill designs are multifunctional, offering features like attached table, storage, or even planters to maximize the use of the balcony space. Number 7. Built-in lighting elements are often included, providing both safety and ambience for evening use. LED strips, spotlights, or even built-in fire pits are possibilities. Number 8. Glass panels are frequently used for a transparent and unobstructed view while ensuring safety. Tinted or frosted glass can add privacy and style. Number 9. Many modern grill designs are engineered for easy maintenance with materials that resist rust and weather damage. Number 10. With the rise of smart homes, some balcony grills may come equipped with features like remote control, automated temperature adjustment, or even smartphone app integration. Number 11. Eco-friendly designs may incorporate sustainable materials or have features like rainwater harvesting or green walls. Number 12. Decorative patterns, laser cut designs, or intricate motifs on the grill panels can add a touch of artistry to the balcony. Number 13. Modular grills allow for flexibility in arrangement and size, making it easier to adapt to changing needs. Number 14. Modern designs are typically compliant with local building codes and safety regulation. Number 15. Material and finishes are chosen to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring the grill's longevity. When selecting a modern balcony terrace grill design, it's essential to consider your specific needs, budget, and the overall aesthetic of your space. Consulting with a professional designer or architect can help you find the perfect grill design that complements your balcony and lifestyle. Choosing the right balcony grill involves thoughtful consideration of various key features. These features include the material, design, size, safety aspect, and so on. I hope this video is very useful in choosing the right design for your balcony grill. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.